Okay, our question for today is regarding high school transcripts. And you guys have asked us, I don't know how to classify what schoolwork my child has done this year, how to classify that onto the transcript, and I don't know how to make a transcript. What can you tell us about that?
Sure. So we get that question a lot, and our favorite answer is to go to HSLDA, which is the Homeschool Legal Defense Association. They have compiled all the resources to know exactly what you need to do for transcripts, for diplomas, for everything pretty much related to homeschooling.
And we'll link to that below on our video so you guys can connect with them.
They have sample transcripts, they have transcripts that you can edit. And so basically what a transcript is it's a list of every subject your child has studied for the year, how many credits worth of study that was, and what their GPA was on that course. So they have a helpful guide for determining GPA. And if you go to our handbooks, you can see a list of every subject that's covered and how many credits it would be if you used each item to the maximum potential. So you would get, say, 2 credits in science for doing integrated physics and chemistry. You could also get additional credits in science by doing all the related resources to Chemistry 101 or Physics 101, but you don't need to. Yeah. So you will look at that list in our handbook and say, okay, here's the ones where I've earned the full credits on. Here, these ones, maybe I didn't, maybe I customized them out, maybe you added music, so you can customize it to be exactly what your child has done in school for the year.
Yep. So basically, if you want to know what qualifies as a credit, go to our curriculum guide and it will tell you what credits your child will have earned for what products. And if you want to know how to take that information and actually make a transcript, go to HSLDA and they will walk you through that process. Yes. One follow-up question is, once I complete 12th grade, do I receive a diploma from you?
And the answer is no, because a diploma can only be issued by a teacher or by a school. And we are not a teacher or a school, but your parent, or you as the parent, can issue the diploma at whenever they feel that you have completed high school. So it's up to whoever does the teaching to sign off on a certificate and say they've completed high school. So there are, again, sample diplomas, so you can see exactly what one should look like at HSLDA.